Grizzly Dipping 22. I got a unboxing video. So this is I was ordered like the other day or over the weekend, and I just got it this morning because I had to have it shipped to my mom's house. I'm over at my mom's, and this is like, I'm kind of already get it open and everything, but I mean the thing was I thought it was for my mom, and my mom that's what my mom got, but this is exactly what I got. This here, this is the it's a Grizzly mud jug, so, and it's the Roadie. This is the one that fits in your cup holder, so, and then you get, I guess I believe a sticker. Well, this here is just the order, and then here's the sticker itself. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put that at right now, but I'll put this back down. Now that I'm dipping into that gritty green right now, or about to be, but I'm gonna go out there and hang out with my mom and everything. So just trying to make it quick. Yeah, help her do some things around her house, and then I'm gonna be going home sometime later on today. And then I guess I have to go from there. But I did go and get a tub of soakers over the weekend as well. No, I went and got it, I think Monday, I believe Monday or Tuesday is when I went and got that. Can't really remember when I actually did, so I had gas over the night I got it, and I brought the tub with me because I'm almost out of this can here. But I think I'm going to be using the Grizzly Roadie for a minute, or for a good while. I think I'm going to put the Confederate camo on retirement wall when I get home. The only reason I brought that is because I didn't think I was going to like get the new one in, so I'm going to have to go from there. But I got some videos planned. I don't know when they'll be coming in, or when I'll be getting them. But keep dipping and keep ready. Peace out.